Welcome to the LUAWMS Online Admission Application Submission Guide. In this step-by-step guide, you will learn how to navigate through the online admission application submission process with ease. By following these steps, you will be able to successfully submit your online admission application. If you prefer to search for the university on Google, simply type LUAWMS into the Google search bar and press enter. Then, click on the link for Lasbela University of Agriculture, Water and Marine Sciences in the search results. Or simply visit the website of the Lasbela University of Agriculture, Water and Marine Sciences website. Launch the web browser, such as Google Chrome. In the address bar, type following URL: www.luawms.edu.pk. Press enter to navigate to the Lasbela University of Agriculture, Water and Marine Sciences website. A pop-up window for Admission Fall 2023 has opened. Click on the link that reads Admissions Open, Fall 2023 and includes the last date of registration. Please click on the button that reads Click here to apply online. Click on the button that reads Register a new account, since this is for creating a new account. If already registered, select the option to sign in. Click on the email field to enter the email address for creating a new account. Please ensure the entry of a valid email address, such as most used domains like at hotmail.com, at gmail.com, at outlook.com, or at yahoo.com, in the field. Click on the password field. Enter your password in the designated field. Click on the Confirm Password field. Enter the password again in the designated Confirm Password field. This is to confirm and ensure accuracy. Click on the Register button to complete the registration process. Registration has been completed successfully. An email has been sent to the provided email address. Please click the OK button and proceed to your email inbox to verify your email. To verify the email for the registration process, open a new tab or window in the web browser and access your email domain. Sign in to your email address. For Gmail, you can access it by navigating to mail.google.com. Check your email inbox. You have received the email with the subject line Email Confirmation from LUAWMS Online Admission System admissions@luawms.com. To confirm new account, please click on the Confirm Registration button in the email received from LUAWMS Online Admission System. To access new account, please follow these steps. Open your web browser and go to Admissions, luawms.edu.pk. Enter your email and password. Next, click on Sign In to access to the account. Please read the following instructions carefully. The online admission fee must be paid through the Challan form, which will be generated after your online application process is completed. Here, choose your preferred options from the drop-down menus. Example, Campus. Selected WADH Campus. Test Center. Selected BUET Kuzdar. Program Type. Selected BS Programs. First choice, selected BS Agriculture. Second choice, selected for BS Computer Science. Third choice, selected BBA. After making your own selections, click on Save and continue to proceed. Next, you'll need to carefully enter all your personal information step by step into the designated fields on the registration form. Click on the drop-down menu labeled Please select, and choose the appropriate title from the available options. Here you add your full name. Click on Father Name and enter your father's name. Click on the drop-down menu that says, Please select, and choose the gender from the options. Click on the field and enter the CNIC or B-form number as displayed in the field. Please enter the date of birth. Click on the nationality field and choose the nationality, for example, Pakistan. Please ensure that you complete all the required fields as indicated. Click Save, and then continue by clicking the Next button to proceed to the next step. Enter the guardian information in this section. Click on the drop-down menu. Please select and choose the appropriate title for the guardian from the options. Click on Guardian Name field and enter the guardian's name. Enter the guardian's CNIC, Computerized National Identity Card, number. Click on the field and write your guardian's occupation, such as government servant or another job title. Click on Organization and enter your guardian's organization or department, such as Education Department, or specify if it's in another government department or a private job, etc. Then, choose your guardian's monthly income from the combo box. Click on the Contact field and provide your guardian's mobile number. Click on the Save button to save the provided information. Now, click on the Next button to proceed to the next step. Please complete your address information for both your current and permanent addresses. Include your address, province, and city for each. Once you've filled in the details, click Save and then proceed by clicking Next. At this stage, you will need to enter your academic information. Click on the drop-down menu labeled and select your qualification from the available options. Enter education levels from lowest to highest, starting with matriculation, in the designated field. Enter degree program, such as SSC, or desired education level in the designated field. In the provided field, specify your field of study, for example, science. Enter the name of the school or college and the institute where you studied for matriculation or intermediate. For example, Government Boys High School WADH. Please enter your obtained marks, total marks, grade, percentage for the qualification, and the name of the board in the designated fields. After entering your obtained marks, total marks, grade, percentage, and board name for matriculation in the designated fields, and click Save. Now, repeat the same process for intermediate qualifications. Select Intermediate from the education level and enter the required information as previously has completed for matriculation. Enter the degree program for higher secondary education such as HSSC or Intermediate in the designated field. Please provide the details for the chosen discipline of study for HSSC, such as Science. Enter the name of the institute attended for higher secondary education. For example, Government Boys Inter-College WADH in the designated field. Great! Once you've entered all the necessary information for your intermediate qualifications, click on the Save button. Please review the listed education levels below and then click Next to proceed to the next step. Before uploading the documents, please read the instructions and ensure that you attach all files in .jpg, .png, and .pdf formats. File size must not exceed 1 megabyte. If the file size is larger, kindly resize the document pictures you intend to upload. Proceed to upload the pictures of the documents one by one. Navigate to Documents Type and select Type to upload. First, passport size picture selected from option. Please select the Choose file to navigate your system storage, locate the passport-sized picture you wish to upload, and then proceed to upload it. The path chosen like See Fake Path, picture.jpg. Click on the Save button, and then proceed to upload another document type. Navigate to Document Type and select Domicile, Local Certificate from the options. Select to Choose File to navigate your system storage, locate the local domicile picture you wish to upload, and then proceed to upload it. The path chosen like See Fake Path, Local. Click the To save and upload another document picture. Navigate to document type and select CNIC front side B form from the options. Select to choose file to navigate your system storage. Locate the CNIC front side picture you wish to upload, and then proceed to upload it. The path chosen like C fake path, CNIC front.jpg. Click to save and repeat the same process to upload CNIC backside picture and click to save. Choose CNIC backside picture from the option. Repeat the same process to upload all your document pictures, including the provisional certificate, marks sheet, and any other required documents. Step by step, please upload the documents, including the SSC, HSSC certificate, provisional certificate, and any other required documents. After uploading all the required documents pictures, please click on Next to proceed. Next step to generate the challan fee for the application process. The challan fee has been successfully generated. To complete the payment process, it's essential that you print out this challan receipt and take it to your nearest preferred bank branch to make the payment. After the payment, you will need to log into your account and upload the fee challan receipt to finalize the application process. After successfully completing the payment of the admission fee at the bank, please proceed to upload the challan fee receipt. Click on Choose File to select and upload a picture of the paid challan receipt. Make sure the uploaded image is clear and legible for verification purposes. Please click Save, and then proceed by clicking Next. The bank challan paid receipt has been uploaded. Now, please click Next to proceed. Please check the checkbox to declare that the information provided on this form is true, complete, and accurate, with no omitted details. Then, click the Submit Application button. Please note that once you click the Confirm and Submit button, you won't be able to amend any information. Therefore, kindly ensure and confirm all the information before finalizing your application. Take a moment to carefully review your application before proceeding with the submission. The application has been successfully submitted. Updates and notifications regarding the application status will be sent through email or phone. Click OK. We trust that this step-by-step application guide will prove invaluable as you navigate the process of submitting your online admission application to Lasbela University of Agriculture, Water, and Marine Sciences. Thank you, and we wish you the best of luck with your admission application and future studies.